Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. This is 916 video trimmer, uh, and we can see it in action here. Let's go ahead and we'll start it up. Python video portrait tool. Actually, that's not going to work. I need to actually type Python here. This is, by the way, this is cursor. And let's go ahead and run this command. And it's asking for the video. In this case, I'm going to use this one. And you can see the Python. Well, actually, you can't see it. Down here, the Python application has started, and I'm going to drag my mouse, and I can drag it anywhere. If I want the vertical edit to be there, if I want it there, doesn't matter. And then I hit S and it will record or edit that location. So I'm going to edit just down here, just this little bit down here. I hit the S key. Let's do that again. I'm going to hit the S key and the vertical crop has been completed. And you'll see that I have prefaced the file with vertical and then the size of the video. So this is the newest one here because it's very small, 378, 674. And if we open in the File Explorer, here you can see that this is now a vertical edit of that video. The repo itself is already on GitHub. You can find more details about it. I'll put the link to the repo in the description. If this video was helpful or the code was helpful, please consider clicking like, subscribe, maybe even share. Appreciate that. Thanks for watching and happy computing.